Let's continue talking about the Valley by Emaar and talk about how it's evolved over the years. And more importantly, why the current launches still make sense, whether you're an investor or a homeowner. Let's roll it back to 2019, when Emaar launched Eden, the first phase in Valley 1. Eden sits at the entrance of the community along Dubai Lane Road and comes with 3 and 4 bedroom townhouses. If you look closer, these homes are grouped in 6, 8 or even 10 plex clusters. Sizes for a 3-bedroom townhouse were around 1900 to 2100 square feet, including the backyard. Out of that, roughly 1500 to 1600 square feet was the actual internal living space across the ground and first floor, with about 400 square feet for the backyard. Now, fast forward to the latest launches in Valley West. Take Velora 2 for example, which was released in 2024. Here, the entire approach has shifted. The homes are grouped in just 3 to 4 plex clusters, instantly making it less dense, more private and more family focused. A 3-bedroom townhouse here ranges from 2400 to 2500 square feet, which breaks down as almost 1900 square feet of internal space, a 400 square feet garage and a balcony on terrace area of about 130 square feet. So basically, you're getting significantly more space inside and outside. Even the layouts have matured. In Eden, you had an open concept L-shaped kitchen versus in Velora 2, it's now a larger U-shaped kitchen that's semi-enclosed and it's super easy to enclose fully if families prefer that. Both layouts come with a maid's room and a powder room on the ground floor, and upstairs you've got 2 bedrooms sharing a common bathroom. The big difference? Velora 2 offers a much larger master suite with a walk-in style wardrobe and an ensuite master bath. Now let's put this into perspective. A 3-bedroom apartment in Dubai today, in a prime area, averages 1500 to 1700 square feet. That's basically the same size as an Eden townhouse. And for many tenants, the choice between renting an apartment versus living in a townhouse with a backyard, they'll take a townhouse every time. That's why Eden still has a strong rental appeal. Velora, on the other hand, is clearly built for families who need bigger spaces. Most other townhouse communities in Dubai are currently offering 3 bedrooms in the 1900 to 2200 square feet range. Velora is pushing beyond that, which makes it more attractive for both homeowners and investors, because bigger homes mean higher rental returns and better resale appreciation. And let's not forget appreciation. The Valley started with Eden at around 630 to 650 dirhams per square foot. Today, we're averaging around 1300 to 1350 dirhams per square foot. And while that looks like a big jump, it's still way below other luxury villa communities around Dubai, where prices are closer to 1900 to 2000 dirhams per square foot. So there's still a long way to go here. Demand for townhouses and villas is at an all-time high, and supply is just not able to keep up right now, which is exactly why the next launch, Velora 3, is exciting to look at. It continues that evolution: less density, bigger spaces, family-focused layouts, and still at one of the best price points in Dubai. And that's why the Valley isn't just an investor hotspot anymore. It's becoming a full-fledged family community while still holding on to its investment edge.